Nuisance. Someone or something causing annoyance. Example: that loud neighbor is such a nuisance when I'm trying to sleep. Selfish. Caring only about oneself. Example: she took the last slice of pizza without asking. How selfish. Racist. Discriminating against people based on their race. Example: making assumptions about someone's abilities because of their race is racist and unacceptable. Pervert. Someone with inappropriate or creepy behavior. Example: that guy staring at everyone in a weird way is such a pervert. Psycho. Someone acting irrationally or crazily. Example: he went psycho after losing the game, throwing things everywhere. Skeptic. Someone who doubts or questions things easily. Example: I'm a skeptic when it comes to believing conspiracy theories. Phony. Fake or insincere. Example: don't trust her. She's a total phony and just pretends to be nice. Moron. A stupid or foolish person. Example: he tried to fix his phone by putting it in the microwave. What a moron. Snowflake. Someone overly sensitive. Example: stop being such a snowflake. It's just a joke. Spoil sport. Someone who ruins fun for others. Example: he's such a spoil sport for not letting us play music at the party. Punk. A troublemaker or rebellious person. Example: that punk keeps graffitiing the walls in our neighborhood. Suck up. Someone who flatters others for personal gain. Example: she's such a suck up, always complimenting the boss to get promotions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.